So structure, that is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing. Subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing. For ing, what is the reason? Because we know work, running, activity is going on. That's mean must be ing. For present auxiliary verb, the verb is am, is, a, and for this is past, so auxiliary verb will be was and were, because be verb past from was were. Then now we will take subject with I always was. If subject third person singular number, that time also was, and others will be were. So I was clean, পরিষ্কার করা. So how can we say আমি পরিষ্কার করছিলাম? If it's now, what would be the Bangla? Like now I am cleaning. What would be the Bangla?
আমি আমি পরিষ্কার করছি।
Yeah. So suppose yesterday I did it.
করছিলাম।
Yeah. So I
করছিলাম।
was করছিলাম। So
Clean.
I was cleaning, আমি পরিষ্কার করছিলাম। We were cleaning, আমরা পরিষ্কার করছিলাম। You were cleaning, তুমি পরিষ্কার করছিলে। You were cleaning, তোমরা পরিষ্কার করছিলে। They were cleaning, তারা পরিষ্কার করছিল। He was cleaning, সে পরিষ্কার করছিল। She was cleaning, সে পরিষ্কার করছিল। It was cleaning, এটা পরিষ্কার করছিল। Rana was cleaning, রানা পরিষ্কার করছিল। Then my friend or anyone that my friend was cleaning, আমার বন্ধু পরিষ্কার। So অনেক স্যার, you will repeat after me now. I was coming, আমি আসছিলাম।
I was coming, আমি আসছিলাম।
We were coming, আমরা আসছিলাম।
We were coming, আমরা আসছিলাম।
You were coming, তুমি আসছিলে।
You were coming, তুমি আসছিলে।
You were coming, তোমরা আসছিলে।
You were coming, তোমরা আসছিলে।
They were coming, তারা আসছিল।
They were coming, তারা আসছিল।
He was coming, সে আসছিল।
He was coming, সে আসছিল।
She was coming, সে আসছিল।
She was coming, সে আসছিল।
It was coming, এটা আসছিল।
It was coming, এটা আসছিল।
Rana was coming, রানা আসছিল।
Rana was coming, রানা আসছিল।
My friend was coming, আমার বন্ধু আসছিল।
My friend was coming, আমার বন্ধু আসছিল।
Okay, now Tasmin ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you will repeat after me.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was trying, আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম।
I was আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম।
Trying.
Trying. I was trying, আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম।
We were trying, আমরা 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 চেষ্টা করছিলাম।
You were trying, তুমি চেষ্টা করছিলে।
You were trying, তুমি চেষ্টা করছিলে।
You were trying, তোমরা চেষ্টা করছিলে।
You were trying, তোমরা চেষ্টা করছিলে।
They were trying, তারা চেষ্টা করছিল।
They were trying, তারা চেষ্টা করছিল।
He was trying, সে চেষ্টা করছিল।
He was trying, সে চেষ্টা করছিল।
She was trying, সে চেষ্টা করছিল।
She was trying, সে চেষ্টা করছিল।
It was trying, এটা চেষ্টা করছিল।
It was trying, এটা চেষ্টা করছিল।
Rana was trying, রানা চেষ্টা করছিল।
Rana was trying, রানা চেষ্টা করছিল।
My friend was trying, আমার বন্ধু চেষ্টা করছিল।
My friend was trying, আমার বন্ধু চেষ্টা করছিল।
Okay.